Hi, I'm Bill Cook. This is Bill Cooks, and today let's make a Meximelt. You're gonna need tortillas. I'm gonna make 2 of these because they're good. I like them. All right, they're small too. These are the smaller tortillas, so they're gonna make a small little Meximelt. Remind you of a Meximelt? Of course it does. Okay, so what does a Meximelt have on it? Well, it has to have something to melt. It's jack cheese. Had a bunch of that, didn't it? Yeah, it did. Spread around real nice. There you go. It went crazy with the cheese because it's a Meximelt. It was a beef Meximelt. So, there's your that beef. I may have let this sit and cook a little bit while I was talking and forgot. Got a couple crispy bits. Don't hold this against me. It doesn't look too good. But a little beef on here. A lot more than they probably ever put on. Okay, so the only other ingredient that goes in this is pico de gallo, which was not one of their main items. So might be why this went away. Plus, this has to be steamed, which is kind of a pain in the ass. All right, so pico de gallo. I made this fresh. I don't like store-bought pico de gallo. Pico de gallo is very easy to make. Onions, tomatoes, jalapenos. It's cilantro. It's lime juice. It's simple. It does not keep when you make it fresh. Oh, it does not keep. This is got what, a 48-hour window on it, tops. Okay, pico. There you go. All right. So the other secret to this is you have to steam it. Coming up with a steamer is a little difficult to do, so I have a solution to that. Okay, as you can see here, I have a frying pan. I will switch to the other camera and show you this more closely. In that frying pan, woo, look at that. In that frying pan, I have a small plate sitting in about 1.5 cups of water so that it's under the lip, and this is on very low, but it's just steaming ever so slightly. So I'll put the lid back down here for a second, set the camera down so you can see this, position this, and let's steam a Meximelt. Check our Meximelt real quick. Our Meximelt is melted. Oh yeah, it's soft, delicious, amazing. There's the Meximelt. So the next one's going in. A little steamer here. It wasn't quite hot enough to put some water in it, but that's okay. So let's. And I have my 2 Meximelts. I have pizza, which is sticking just like theirs would have. It's not gonna come apart nicely. Okay, let's do a couple squares of pizza. And this. Okay, I think we're all dying to know what this tastes like. Meximelt! Look at how melty and delicious and all of this. Oh, I gotta get a bite of that. Oh, it's leaking? Oh yes. Are you kidding me? Oh. Yeah. That's good stuff. That's a Meximelt. It's absolutely a Meximelt. Oh, I love Meximelts. And I made that one at home. You can too. Right, see you. Bye. I have no idea. Okay, move. Come on, move. Move. You can't sit there. better shoot.